beautiful! Victim birds, excellent. Sea to table! With Ocean Project, we catch our fish, make teimaki sushi, and enjoy it! With Ocean Project, you don't need to bring anything, just yourself.
They'll teach you every step of the way, so even beginners can do it without any worries.
Fuji-san is so beautiful!
Yay! Fishing is fun!
Wow, we caught a lot of fish
look at all the big fish we got.
Yeah, so exciting. So now we'll take these fish to the local fish restaurant.
Now we're going to Marukichi's, where they're going to prepare the fish that we caught this morning for lunch.
Hey, let's go. So here's the fish from today that they have prepared into our lunch. We have grilled fish, tempura, and sashimi. Okay, now we're going to make teimaki sushi. So let's give it a try. Okay, help yourself. And I'll try some of the sashimi. Oh, this looks so good.
You ready?
Yeah, let's
Here we
try
go.
it. That's good.
Delicious.
Yeah. It's really good. Yeah, like such a light taste. Around Heda, there is also a popular sightseeing spot called Shuzenji. Oh, so peaceful. I wonder if they're very old. Oh, this has been such a nice day.
Great day.
Yeah, and really good weather.
Yep, very lucky.
Yeah, good food. Yeah, what was your favorite part?